Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about High Tide and how I'm very excited for High Tide's earnings tomorrow. I'm very excited to see how profitable they will be tomorrow, because I almost positive that they will, I'm 99% sure that they will be profitable tomorrow with really good earnings. The company right now is up a penny, 5.56%. So last day to gamble on High Tide's earning. Yeah, it could tank the stock tomorrow. Even if the earnings are awesome, it could still tank the stock tomorrow. But I'm holding on and I'm gambling that the stock price gets pumped tomorrow. But there's a chance it might tank real bad tomorrow, even if they are profitable. But I'm expecting really good profits. The volume was pretty decent today. It was traded 897,000 volume. So seems like the stock is being actively traded, even the stock price don't go up very much. But yes, tomorrow is going to be a very exciting day in my opinion. High Tide to announce third quarter 2020 financial results. It will be I've never ever seen High Tide ever pre-announce an earnings report, because usually they just randomly drop it and they never just pre-announce an earnings report. But yes, tomorrow at September 16, 2020, High Tide will be reporting its quarterly financing operating results. Too bad, and this is the first time they are having a conference call too. 8:30 a.m. Eastern. That means I have to wake up at 6:30 in the morning to listen to it. And you actually have to call in to listen to the earnings report, which is kind of retarded. But you know what? Whatever, I'll do that. But maybe tomorrow they will announce a webcast, and they won't just announce a conference call on the phone. I would prefer a webcast, but I will also use a phone call. I'll also record it on my phone if I can. But yeah, look forward to my thoughts on High Tide's earnings. Fire and Flower just reported its earnings report, and it increased its revenue by 24% to $28.6 million. According to this, they still lost $0.3 million compared to loss of $4.8 million in Q2 2019. High Tide, if you weren't aware, they reported roughly the same amount of revenue. No, they reported last quarter. They reported about $19 million of revenue with EBITDA positive of $2 million. So if High Tide was to report $28.6 million, I almost guarantee you it's going to be roughly $5 million of profit. So how much profit? What's their gross profit? Their gross profit was $9 million for that quarter out of this $28.5 million. We can see what, I'm going to pull up High Tide's last earnings report, and I will see how much, what kind of gross profit they reported on $18 million. It's right here. So High Tide reported $19.57 million with a gross profit of $7.39 million. Gross profit margin was 38% from 36%, and they had adjusted profit of $1.94 million off $7.39 million. So obviously they're doing better than Fire and Flower. Firepower $9.95 million off of $28.59 million. So if High Tide was to report the same amount of revenue of 28.95 million, which they could report way more than that, 593 times 0. Let's just call it 38%. Even though the CEO said that they could increase it to 40%, but let's just do a rough 38%. That's $10.865 million. So that's a $3 million increase in gross profit. Of course, the expenses are going to go up a little bit. So I can see roughly, $4 million EBITDA positive for High Tide. So we'll see if that's the scenario, because they already generate $2 million of profit off of $7.39 million of revenue. So if they increased it to 28, then I can see, that's an increase of almost $4 million of gross profit. And if the expenses just increase another $1 million, they are talking about $5 million adjusted EBITDA positive. So $5 million of profitability. If they were generating $5 million of profitability each quarter, that's $20 million of profitability per year. And High Tide has a market cap of how much? Like a lot less than. They have a market cap of total of $44.5 million, $45 million market cap, and they have they're making $20 million per year. That's a little undervalued, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens in the next earnings report. Maybe they're not going to be profitable and the stock will tank. Fire and Flower stock is valued at $137 million. Let's just figure out exactly how much Fire and Flower's market cap is worth. 108. Fire and Flower on the Canadian side is worth $138 million, while High Tide is worth $45 million. And they're profitable, and Fire and Flower is not profitable. So High Tide has room to grow to the next Fire and Flower. Yes, Fire and Flower has a better balance sheet than High Tide, but High Tide's profitable. Fire and Flower isn't profitable. I think cash on the balance sheet is more should be less valuable than real profitability, in my opinion. But ultimately, at the end of the day, it really determines on big money to where High Tide market cap's going to be. But I hope the company well, and I think the company stock should get rewarded if they are flipping a massive amount of profit, in my opinion. So we'll see. I'm very excited for the earnings, but we'll see what happens. Snow stock is right now. It's still not traded, so I'm assuming it's going to happen tomorrow. Giga Metals. I bought some shares today, and I'm very happy because the stock is up another 37 cents today. Very, very happy. Very good volume trading today. 5.399 million shares. That is an extremely tight share structure of 61 million. So very happy with my position in Giga Metal Corporation. Tesla up massively today, up $39.01. I have my 10 shares. I wish I bought more shares, but too late now. NEO stock is up 96 cents. Lithium America Corporation is up 9.08%. Hennessy Capital Acquisition Corp up 61 cents today. Solo is being so tarded, but that's just the reality of it. Workhorse is down 33 cents. Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp down 30 cents today. GMHI is up 19 cents today. Trine is up 23 cents today. Nikola Motors is down 7.6% today. Hyliion, woo, look at Hyliion, back to $50. That's amazing. AMD is up $1.01. Rocket Company is up 5 cents. Nvidia is up $3.39. Not very much. AMD is doing decent today. A very good food company is down today 3 cents. Beyond Meat is up $4.96. Neo Lithium Corporation, oh man, down 2 cents. That's what I get for bag holding. Oh wow, you know what? If it drops back down to 58 cents, I'd probably buy more. Planet 13 today is trading sideways. How much volume is trading? 598,000 shares traded. That's not bad. No. That's it for my video. We can look at Planet 13. Planet 13 trading sideways. Kura is up 12 cents. ACB is down 14 cents. CGC is up 18 cents. Kron is down 3 cents. Afria is up 6 cents. That's all I really have to say. That's all I have on my video. Harv is down 3 cents. Kura is up 12 cents. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.